Let's break the code. So today we just tune in the creation of Let's Break the Code. What exactly that means is like the shifting energy has really to do with the light codes, and what exactly is the light codes of the universe. The light codes of the universe is the binary code of the universe through the shapes, the lines, the numbers, and the colors and the feelings we have. We can really communicate with the source. And what is exactly is the source? Source is the true consciousness. So through our neurological system, we can activate the quantum sun. The quantum sun is the true source of the consciousness. What exactly I'm getting in is the explanation I will try to give with a few words through the new shifting energy. I do write about it in the books of quantum light, and it's about the true consciousness. So I truly believe that the light codes we are receiving, it is a strong language from the quantum field of the universes. This is something like the binary code that we know here in this dimension, that it is represent from the numbers like 0011220001. So each number, binary, is having a letter behind it. And this is actually what is happening with the light codes. When we're receiving light codes, we can sit down and write them down. And through the light code, our consciousness, our feelings, our heart, our meridians, our pores are opening to the code and decoding the light code we're receiving. I do truly believe that on the other side of the veil is truly us, and we try to communicate with ourselves in the 3D. The truly version of us, we call it higher self, but the truth is that it's actually us from the quantum field trying to help ourselves to fix this failed, that is named matrix. The dimension that is repeating again and again is actually the matrix code. And the key to understand is not to follow the 3T consciousness, because it is the fixed programming actually and has nothing to do with the truth. That's why all levels of energy that we work in, we point to the energy chakra. It's very important that the energy chakra and the poles and the cleanup of our DNA and all the generations again and again is very important, that we understand that we need to clean up our DNA, our space, our neurological system, our brain waves. And this is what is exactly this is chapter about. Is like telling us that our neurological system needs to clean up so we can understand the true consciousness. And the true consciousness is actually the quantum sun. Our neurological brain is affected from our life in 3D, in the matrix environment, and to be truly awakening from the 3D consciousness is to follow our inner voice, our inner truth, our inner child. And the reason is because a child cannot be affected from the programming, because it's just in the phase of creation, in creating the programming to put the child in. So if you keep for yourself the child clean and have these wonderful feelings as you did, then you are most of it close to your truly self than any other levels of consciousness. So the 7, 8, and 9 books of QLU, Quantum Light University, is about physical body, neurological, and consciousness, because it's very important to understand and see and feel the true consciousness and not the consciousness that it is affecting us in the 3D of matrix. So we will have all the experience and all the examples to learn how to separate the ego, that it is actually the 3D consciousness, from the truly and the one and only true I am, the quantum sun.